Hello, welcome to chapter number 10, top skills to acquire. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to understand the four top skills that we need to acquire to start this freedom business and to start this journey. And best part, okay, some of you may have all these skills, and some of you may have some skills, and maybe you are not a technical guy and you don't not know all these skills. Okay, but don't worry about these skills. So you have to spend a lot of times here. Okay, if you don't know about any skills, that means you are going to learn. Okay, these are the four top skills I want to share with you. One is the number one is market research skills. Okay, and the second is the salesmanship skills. Okay, and the third is marketing skills, and the fourth is system skills. Okay, so one by one, I'm going to cover this one and what the main points all in this skills we need to acquire. So first one is market research skills. So one is understanding customers' pain point. What do you mean by the customer pain points? Actually, you have to search, you have to Google, you have to find the market's needs. Okay, what the markets actually want from you. Okay, so you have to find that niche and that customer needs. That's it. They need a solution. Okay, so when you will find your niche and you know about your niche and you understand how to Google it and how to find the market's need, then point out some customers point pain point, and then give your solution to them. Okay, so this is the one thing you need to understand, and you have to acquire these skills to find this pain points. And the second is choosing the right product. Actually, choosing right products is depends on your market research. If you are doing in a best way, if you know about your niche, then you can get how to choose your right product. And the third is identifying keywords. Okay, so these are the three main skills you need to acquire to understand the market research skills. And the market research skills is the one skills you have to need. And the second is the salesmanship skills. And in the salesmanship skills, we are talking about two things. Okay, one is direct response copywriting skills, and the second is video marketing skills. So in direct response copywriting skills, we are talking about social media, sales letters, and email marketing. Actually, what do you mean by the direct response copywriting skills? When you get the emails from anyone, okay, and you read out this one, so you understand that means you are connecting with the words, with the sentences he is providing you, and you are reading that sentence, you are reading that keywords. Okay, that means you are connected with. So you need to master the words game. Okay, the copywriting skills game. Okay, so your sentence, and when you're posting some things, and you are typing something, okay, so it connected with your customer. So you need to understand what the words are you are using to connect with your audiences. Okay, so when you are posting in social medias, when you are posting in email, like sales letters and the email marketings you're doing, so keywords and your sentence and what the main intention to connect with your audience is, this depends on your copywriting skills. And the second is video marketings. So video marketing is the best way to connect with your customers, with your audience. Okay, directly your words, they are listening, they are watching you. Okay, connect with you. Okay, so in video marketing, the three main things you need to understand. One is emotional connect. So emotional connects can be like a sad story, it can be a good journey. Okay, so if you are providing some emotional story behind your journey, okay, so it's make a huge impact on your audiences. Second is rapport building. Okay, So rapport building is also important parts because no one your authenticity and so you rapport building, you have to tell about your experience, you have to tell about your journey till now and what they are expecting from you. So in rapport building you have to tell these things. Okay, and the third is getting people to buy. Now it's time to offer something. Okay, when you have connected your emotional story, when you have connected with your rapport building, and that means you are your skills, you what they can expect from you. Now it's time to offer something that's going to help them. Okay, when you are helping them, actually they need your services, they need your offers, they need your course just because of the needy persons. You know about this. So now when you're offering them, so definitely there is no brain they are not going to buy one. Maybe it may take times, but if you are consistent in your marketing system that I talk about is about systems. Okay, even so definitely they are going to buy from you. And the fourth is marketing skills. In marketing skills, again, we are talking about social media marketing, blogging, and PPC skills, Facebook, Google advertising. So, social media advertising, this is like a simple game. Is talk about the social media marketing. So, like looks like simple, but this is not like a simple. Okay, you have to understand the Facebook marketing behind the scenes. Okay, what's going on, how to make effective Facebook ads or Instagram ads. And if you're posting anything you're posting is your copywriting words, your authenticity to with your post is depends on. Okay, so social media marketing you have to learn about this thing because right now the um, Facebook marketing is the top one marketing. Okay, so you have to gain the knowledge and you have to understand the basics of Facebook marketing and other social media platforms as well. Okay, and second is blogging. Second, blogging plays an important role in your authenticity. Like if you are posting through your blogs, that means you are showing that you are expert in particular things. So people's will believe, people's will read out your blog post there. That means they know your skills and they are connecting with yourself. So when you are writing any post, okay, do one thing. When someone visit my blogs, okay, so what I do was first thing what I do, I try to capture the leads. Okay, I try to capture the email ID, name, and mobile number so that if I'm posting again a new post, directly they go to in their mail. Okay, so blogging and marketing both are parallel. Okay, if you are capturing leads and if you are posting a new post, both should be parallel. Okay, a new post should immediately come in their inbox. Okay, and they are opening inbox and they are uh, um, reading this one. If you have providing some recommended tools, recommended systems, recommended ebooks, they are definitely going through. And maybe if you are they need to purchase something, they will need purchase. Okay, they purchase from you. And then the third is PPC skills and Facebook and Google advertising. Yes, this comes also in blogging, in social media marketing also. Okay, so the three skills that we covered: market research skills, second is sales management skills, and third is marketing skills, and the last but not the least, the system skills. You have to understand the system skills. Okay, so you if you remember, we talk about your hub, your email capturing systems, and pre-funnels. You know, okay. So system skills that's we need to establish this freedom lifestyle business. Okay, freedom business based business. This system skills play a very important role here. Three things we are covering: email marketing systems, high converting landing pages, and tracking systems. So for this we have a level 2 course like affiliate entrepreneurs success system success challenge. So in that particular course I'm covering step by step things, how you can make your systems. Okay, so I covering in a module by module. Okay, your setup system, hub systems, email tracking, your landing page, your tracking systems, and everything we are capturing in that particular course. Okay, so email marketing, we need to, because we if someone visiting our site, our blog, our post, we need to capture them. Okay, if we are not capturing their details, as we are losing our business immediately. Okay, so high converting landing page. That plays a role to capture emails, and that plays to if you are providing some membership program and some courses and some affiliate products. So this landing page plays an important role. And this third is tracking system. Yes, if you are doing anything, you have to track. So these are the 4 main skills that we need to acquire to start this freedom-based business. Okay, so I hope you have understand all these 4 skills. If you don't know about anything, okay, if you are not technical person and technical guys, you think that it is too much hard, and don't worry about this thing. But one thing I want to share: without gain, no pain. Without gain, you know about this. Okay, if you want to acquire some skills, there is no one gonna stop you. Only you will stop yourself. So don't worry about these things. It may take 1 year, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. It doesn't matter. But if you have made your mind maker, there's no one around to stop you. Definitely you are going to be a success. Okay. Your success path is depend on you. Okay, I'm sure you understand, and let's see in next chapters what the next chapter I'm going to share what the next chapter is. So in next chapter I'm talking about how to identify your niche and what product to sell it. Okay, so see you there. Bye bye.